Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. When it comes to finding a convenient way for gift giving, mainly there are two options. The easiest way is to order a product to be delivered to the recipient's address, and if the customer is not sure what to send as a gift, then they can use a gift card. With a gift card, the recipient can buy any product they want from the store. The WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Cards plugin lets you easily integrate a gift card purchase option into your store. We have a dedicated video on how you can add a gift card purchase option to your store. Be sure to watch it after this one. This video, however, is about something else. What if you could combine the best of both worlds? Sending a gift card to the recipient while also suggesting a product of the customer's choice. Then the recipient can choose to buy the recommended product or any other product they prefer. The WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Cards plugin adds a Gift This Product option to your product pages. When a customer clicks this button, it creates a gift card with the same price as the product, including the product suggestion on the gift card. After successful payment, the gift card is emailed to the recipient. Now, the recipient can choose to purchase the recommended product or use the gift card amount to buy any other product from your store. Let's see how you can integrate this option into your store. Once the WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Cards plugin is installed and activated, go to your dashboard and navigate to Gift Cards. Within the plugin, go to General Settings and Send Product as Gift. Enable this option to add the Gift This Product button to your product pages. You can choose to hide this option for selected products or categories if needed. Here, you can customize the text associated with the option, such as the description above the button, the text inside the button, the product name inside the cart. %S is used as a placeholder for the product name. The entered text will be displayed on the cart along with the product name to distinguish between normal gift cards and products as a gift. And the title present on the gift card for the product suggestion. Finally, you have the option to hide the value of the gift card from the gift card itself, so only the product recommendation is shown. And that's it. You're all set. Now you have the Send Product as a Gift option on your store. Go surprise your customers with this new way of gift giving. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.